Hello guys, this is Mark from ALWAYSSOLD123 doing a video walk around from Fort Lauderdale, guys. Fort Lauderdale. Take a look. Sold by Always Sold. 2012 Lexus CT200 Hybrid. One of the nicest, cleanest Lexus I've ever seen. Michelin tires. Take a look. Very clean inside, non-smoker. Okay, we're gonna do this quick. I know it rains on and off. We're waiting for this pictures and video. Look at these beautiful wheels. It's not even curb brushed. Never seen it. Lexus without hybrid, without the curb brushed wheels. Okay guys, let's go inside. Black, nice ivory interior. Look at the seat. Most of them you're gonna find the seats are destroyed, guys. There's no wear whatsoever on these seats. Look at this dashboard and the steering wheel. Okay, we got two set of keys. We got power button. We don't have a navigation, guys. Okay, there's no navi here. Keep that in mind. Okay, I think it's, oh, look at that, you got 12 volt here. It's probably you connect your phone and keep it here. It even has this in Russian and Chinese, Japanese, I don't know. Okay, we got 71,000 miles on this hybrid. It's a 2012 with 71,000 miles. Radio works, all these buttons work. You got heated seats. All right, EV mode, currently not available. It's probably charging the battery. Okay, you got a AC that works. You got bunch of books and records. Okay, nice original carpets. Dashboard not sticky, not cracked. Okay, we'll go here. Like I said, one of the nicest Lexuses I ever seen. I've seen a lot of them, guys. I mean, I see a lot of nice Lexus, let's tell you the truth. But to find a 10-year-old or whatever, over 10-year-old car that is nice, it's hard to find. Everything is here, everything is beautiful, okay? Take a look. Now we're gonna go to the back. Let's go to the back here. Okay, here you go. Look at that. Look at that interior. Once again, guys, it's a non-smoker. Look at the headliner. It's a non-smoker, non-drinker, non-catter, and non-dogger. Okay. Rock chip on the bumper. Take a look. That's your back. That's your back of the car. Okay. All right, let's go. Here's your trunk space. All right. Beautiful. Usual stuff, like just like in the Prius. Okay. Close this. Once the rain is gonna be over, if I have a chance, I'm gonna drive this. It's too clean. Because I have another car that I'm driving. Unless you're gonna buy it. Oh, I already did the hood. Okay, so close this. Alright, let's go on this side. Look at that. Look at that. It's a baby. It's a gorgeous baby. It's a baby maybe. Alright guys, some Seinfeld jokes. Take a look. AC works, the car is running, it's quiet. Beautiful, it's beautiful. Okay, let's go here. Bottom line, guys, it's a beautiful CT200 with low miles. We can ship it to you anywhere in the country. You're gonna pay for it, of course, but we could get you the discounted rate through a dispatch. Okay, we monitor transaction when the car leaves from here to the time when it gets to you. We're gonna make sure it got to you. All right, once again, I got two set of keys. Also, small disclaimer, guys, keep in mind, anything that we sell by ALWAYSSOLD123 and I represent in this video is sold as is, guys. Once you purchase the vehicle, it's yours. So make up your mind, make the decision right. Whatever you need, we're here for you. If you need more pictures, let us know. we can always send you more photos or whatever you need. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and be careful in this rainy days. Bye bye.